Thanks for enrolling into the video course. Let me show you how to use it. So now that we're in the dashboard, we just decide which topic we want to start studying first. Let's start with topic 14, organic chemistry. We just click on it. And here is the organic video course. Now if we have a look at the column on the left, we see crude oil or petroleum chapter is made up of crude oil notes, crude oil video, and fractional distillation video. Now let's click on the crude oil video button. The video starts to play straight away, and all we need to do is watch the video and make notes. Once you have finished the video, do make sure you click on the complete and continue button at the bottom of the screen. Now that marks the crude oil video with a tick to say it's been completed, and the fractional distillation of crude oil video will start playing. And again, just go through the video and make some notes as you go through them, pressing the complete and continue button when you have finished each video. Now the other thing you can do when you're watching these videos is to double click on the video itself, and that will make it full screen size. And to get it back to normal view, press the escape button on the keyboard. We can go back to the student dashboard at any time by clicking the button at the top left corner of the screen. So that's how the video course platform works. If you have any problems with the platform, do let me know.